The Scottish Fold, known for its endearing folded ears, owes this unique trait to a natural genetic mutation. Originating in Scotland in the 1960s, the breed's distinct appearance captivates with a charming blend of round faces and folded ears. Despite the initial concerns about potential health issues related to the mutation, careful breeding practices have been established, ensuring the well-being of these adorable cats. Renowned for their sweet temperament, Scottish Folds make affectionate companions, adding a touch of irresistible charm to the world of feline companionship.